In section 3.7, I will be discussing modeling using variation. Here are some examples. Direct variation will look like y equals k times x. Direct with powers will look like y equals k times x raised to some exponent. Inverse variation is going to be a fraction, y equals k over x. And a combined variation may look different, but here's one example, y equals k times x over z, meaning it combined both the direct and the inverse variation in one problem. So, k is a non-zero constant, and y and x are your variables proportion to one another, either directly or inversely. Let's take a look at one example. The volume of blood B in a person's body varies directly as body weight W. A person who weighs 160 pounds has 5 quarts of blood. Estimate the quarts for a 200-pound person. So, let's put the pieces together. We're told that B, a person's amount of blood, varies directly with body weight. So I'm going to use these variables. B varies directly, so directly is the multiplication one, with body weight W. So B equals KW. We're told a person who weighs 160 pounds has 5 quarts of blood. So plugging in our values, 5 for blood and 160 for the weight W. And right now we're missing K, our constant. So that is what we're going to solve for first. Divide both sides by 160. I didn't pick out the nicest number, so we may have to cheat a bit with the calculator on this problem. And K is roughly 0.03125. All right. And now let's set up our new equation. We have B equals 0.03125 W. And now let's estimate the quarts of blood for someone who's 200 pounds. So this time we're solving for B. We now know our K value. And this time we want the weight to be 200 pounds. Again, using a calculator, we get B equals 6.25 quarts of blood. Please make sure you log on to Canvas and check out the notes that has more examples of modeling using variation.